Yo guys, well today I'm going to be doing an install of a little miniature racing wing. Well, my brother got for me. It was on Wish app. It was like maybe several bucks. And excuse the wrinkly shirt. And let's get to it and let me show you guys how it's done. All right guys, I already went ahead and did the installation. And all you're gonna really need is just rubbing alcohol, which I just went to the bathroom, grabbed this and a piece of cloth. And let me show you. It's decently big, but it's all right. There's the bad boy. You just wipe it down. You got to make sure it's in the center so you don't look that much like an idiot on the road. And you know what they say about wings, right? A lot of downforce. And I want to test drive it with the wing on. I actually want to go pretty fast to see how well that hangs on. So let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, we did a couple pulls and this was the result. Sticked on pretty well. I even kind of speed up a little bit to see how well it stood on. It's pretty good, pretty good. I'm afraid it can't handle freeway speed. Pretty sure the wind's gonna knock it off. And I'm afraid it's gonna knock off and hit a car right behind me and I'll get sued. But anyways guys, that's it for that. And so it was, like I said, it was only several dollars. Funny gag, people are gonna keep looking, I guess. It's a neck breaker. But that's it guys. Actually I have some more stuff to show you guys. Stay tuned in so I could show you guys the rest of the product that I got. And I'll see you guys in the next vid.